How to delete your Gmail account. In this video, I will show you guys how to close Gmail permanently very easily. Just follow my steps. And don't forget to like and subscribe. First step is to go to Google Account Settings. Second step is to select Data and Personalization as shown in the screenshot. In the page that appears, scroll down to Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data. Fourth step is to click Delete a service, or your account. You can also choose Delete Google account and data to remove your entire Google account, including your search history, Google Docs, AdWords and AdSense as well as other Google services. Then choose Delete a service on the next page as well. You'll be prompted to sign into your account. On this step you can choose the service you would like to delete. If you want to delete a Gmail account, click the trash can icon next to Gmail. Now enter an email address, different from the address associated with the Gmail account that you are closing. Gmail may already have entered the secondary address you used when creating the Gmail account. The alternative email address you enter here becomes your new Google account username. Now click OK on Send Verification Email. Open the email from Google with the subject, Security Alert for your linked Google account, or Gmail deletion confirmation. Follow the deletion link in the message. Then, if prompted, log into the Gmail account you are deleting. Now under Confirm Gmail Deletion select, Yes, I want to delete the email permanently from my Google account.